500, 100. And I'm sorry if the camera's a little shaky. I'm actually headed to the racetrack, and the cutout is open, so it's a little more vibrating in here than usual. But the race I had lined up is not going down tonight. I'm sorry, but I do have that race lined up for another night coming up very soon. I can't wait to show you guys that. But it's actually very good. The weather's not bad. It's low humidity, but the temperature is mid-80s, give or take, you know, where it's at. So right now, I don't have any races lined up. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go there, you know, and try to run the best I can run and try to get a really good time out of it. And if I do get a good race out of it, obviously that's even better. And I'll show you the footage from that. And I got a lot of friends coming. Mod the Fame will be there. Boosted F-150. Of course, my man Stang Mode. And well, them three will be there. I don't know who else will be there. If there's others going to be there, that'll be awesome. We should have a good time, good racing. And again, thank you for 10,000 subscribers. Let's hit it.
Trackhawk versus Nick's NA cammed Ram.
Second pass. First run was good. It was a 12.6, and the guy I raced, Venom Hemi, he always tries to run me. He beat me. He ran good. His car's running great. He ran a 12.4 at 113. Great mile an hour. His car's running good. He's got a CAM 5.7 Challenger. He's fully gutted like I am, but his car ran good, and he got me. He beat me. So congratulations to him. I also spun, but that wouldn't have made a difference of 0.2. I'm not not going to say it is. So he would have got me no matter what. And just raced the Trackhawk. He got me, obviously. But the truck's running exactly what it should be. 12 mid 12.6s spinning. So this run was a little bit better hooking. So hopefully I can get, you know, maybe a low 12.6. Let's see.
There you are.
Thank you, sir. 12.70. Yeah. So it's not running its best. It is what it is. For some reason I don't run as good in the right lane, even if I have better traction. I don't know. So what we're gonna do is, here's the thing. If we go to run again and I run another 12.6, I might just run one more. Call it a day. You know, the truck's not gonna get any faster what it's running right now. It's just, you know, the DA is not the greatest. It's not the worst. Low humidity, but the truck's running what it should. And you know, 85 degrees out, 1500 DA, so running right where it should be, mid 12.6s, but I'm spinning still. So hopefully we can get the suspension and we can just dead hook and, you know, bring that 60 foot into the 1.6 range, even in this weather. And we're going to try to go from there. I am going to try something a little different this run, and we'll see if it helps. I don't think it will, but can't hurt to try. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Hopefully it helps.
Yeah.
May not, it may do something. You never know.
Yeah, Nick.
I even sprayed some sticky stuff on my tires to maybe help. Not helping, just every run just spins, it doesn't dead hook. So yeah, it's frustrating. It's frustrating when I can't get a clean pass. But I'm here for fun today. I'm not here to race anyone or beat anybody or post anything about, you know, I raced this guy and beat him because I had nothing lined up. But, you know, is what it is. We'll see what the run was. I'm gonna say 12.75. That's my guess, because it was absolutely terrible of a run, and we're just gonna get slower because that was the worst 60 of the night. Almost a 1.8. It's like a 1.79. We'll see.
There you are.
Thanks, man. 12.71 with my worst 60. So for some reason, I do run better in the left lane here. I mean, I don't know why. put my original tune back on it, but that was a horrendous 60 12.71. It's just, you know, frustrating that I can't hook for shit. And, you know, we got to get some suspension work ASAP. Maybe, I don't even know if I want to run again. I'm not even sure. Just not happy right now with the way the truck's running. So I'm trying to decide if I want to get back in the lanes or if I want to take a break. I think I'm going to take a break, hang out for a little bit, and have some fun, watch some other guys race. I got 3 runs in by 6:30, so it is what it is. The truck's not running its best, and you know, we'll see. Alright guys, we are finished racing for the day. Hit 3 passes. Like I said, I ran my buddy's CAMMED 5.7 Challenger. He ran great. That thing's doing good. Put a converter in that thing's going 11s. Absolutely, we'll do 11s with a converter. He ran a 12.42 against me, and I had him to about close to the 8th. I have it on video. And then his top end kicked in, man. He went 113 mile an hour in a 5.7 Challenger. That's really good. Good for him. Congrats. Hemi. And I ran a Trackhawk. Yeah, I was running a Trackhawk. I treat them. That's about it, though. I got that. We'll see how that video looks when I take a look at it. And I ran some Honda Civic. I'm just gonna put the Honda Civic in there just to, you know, put it in there because I ran today. But you know, everything. Traction is majorly an issue. Suspension's coming as soon as possible. Possibly some new tires. I do like the new Hoosier 28, 10.5, 17 bracket. They're slicks, but they're bracket. They're radials. They're drag radials. But they got the Hoosier slick compound, so hopefully they should help with the suspension, and they're actually light. They're like 22 pounds of tire, so that's good. And with that all dialed in, I'm hoping this truck really, you know, by this, trying to have this all by this year, and hopefully we get the truck exactly where I know it can do, because it's just not hooking, man. It's just spinning. It's like flat spinning. It's unloading the front. It's just not doing what I know it could do. It's getting frustrating, and the tires have plenty of tread. It's not like the tires are bad tires, and there's plenty of tread left on these because they're big, they're slicks, and they just are not doing what I should do. But with suspension, we're going to try them out and see if the suspension helps with these tires. If that's the case, that's great, because, you know what I mean, that's even better. Then I don't need to look at the tires. But if the tires are still doing good, but I know I want more stickier tires, then I'm going to get the Hoosiers, and then we're really going to, you know, try to get this thing into the 1220s by the end of this year. Hopefully it does it. I don't know, you know what I mean? It's definitely possible, but I'm hoping 1220s is possible, and then by over winter time, we got a lot of big plans coming over winter time, and we're going to really send this thing and try to get some really fast times. And you know, the only 4-door I'm hoping to possibly be Jay's record. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it is. But yeah, guys, I'm out of here for the day, and got some other shit lined up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know what it is. Till the next one. Peace.